All right, so we're going to go over why I feel Canva is specifically for Starseeds because their new Canva Magic Studio has so much to offer. So go ahead and create this graphic with me. So normally back in the day, we would come to elements and I want to make a cool graphic for Starseeds. So in here, I would come up and I would look for stars and flowers. But I want to go to these photos and see over here, there's a bunch of beautiful things, which I really like this. And I'm going to teach you a little trick. So before, because normally I would do this and set background. And however, I want to show you a little trick. So before I put that to the background, because if I do this, it's going to probably ruin it. Let's see. So now that we have this picture here, I'm going to put this in the corner and I'm going to drag it down like this. And honestly, I don't want all that green in there. I kind of just want this sort of look. And remember how we put that in the background? That's because whenever we do our transparency, so it creates that kind of purpley orangey thing back there because I kind of want some colors. Now this, I'm going to do bold. I'm going to go to effects. I'm going to go to neon and voila, change the intensity. So now this is glowing. And let's see if we can find a cool color that we like. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, I kind of like this dark purple. All right, so now I can say something fun like this. So what's great is now I can come over here into Magic Write, and I'm going to say a poetic quote, a one cent. There we go. Because God forbid it gives me a whole thing. So let's see. So now we have this wonderful starseed quote. Now I'm just going to again change that, go to the effects, put that in neon, and again, we're going to bold that. Ooh. And so now we have this cool, we can change the corners like that. I kind of like it maybe like this. And so now we have this really cool Starseeds. It says, awaken to the cosmic dance within you, dear Starseed, for you are woven from the very fabric of the universe, destined to shine brightly across the infinite night. So again, I'm not really vibing so much with this, but maybe something like that. So here's a fun thing. Now we can go into our, oh, I wanted to show you Magic Media here. So now I can create my own. So now I'm going to say, I want so wait till you see this, guys. Wait till you see what Magic Media is going to do because watch, I'm going to say, all right, so now, which I love this picture. I just feel like we can do a little something, something. There we go. Okay, a little interesting here. So now we have a little overlay because remember this transparency was low. So now we can even do something like that. I'm not really a big fan of this. So I do love the geometry, but I think I'm going to just take that out and just leave in the glowing nebulas and ancient symbols. So I really like this one. There we go. I really like that. So yeah, now you know how you can play around with Canva and magic media, but I want to show you a little more. Woman sitting down under the stars and her chakras. How do I spell chakras? Are glowing as she connects to the star above. But yeah, so once again, we've got this really cool background. This is even cute too. But I really enjoy, I mean, it doesn't, I kind of want to take out the star right there, but let's see. We just want to put I just wanted like, a glowing orb above her, not like a big star, but I kind of like this too. And I like how the E covers the I. Oh, here you go. Ooh, that's a little more of what I was looking for. I did like the rainbow colors, but something like that, right? So this is what's cool. You can kind of play around with things. I just love how it creates these beautiful cosmic photos for you. Now you can make these really cool Instagram posts with the help of Canva. And you can create whatever background you need. And that's what's really amazing. So, for example, if you want to do some um, woman, let's see, let's do man with aura glowing and energy field all around him with glowing sacred geometry. Here we go. I really love this one. I love this like native. Look at this guy. So here we're going to pull these guys over here. So that's even really cool. And just so you can see, look at this. So you can even do something like activate. All right. And then that could be put your logo. I just really think this is beautiful. I really enjoy this Native American as well. I love this like golden image and this kind of like futuristic guy here. So really cool, really unique stuff. I really appreciate the things that I'm able to do with Canva. So just wanted to show you guys some super fun tricks and tips. And yeah, thanks again for tuning in, The Crystal Freak Show. I'm Mermaid Emsley, your Canva creatrix, here to show you wonderful spiritual entrepreneurs how to use Canva to your advantage to help bring in the new earth. So if you're interested in learning more tips and tricks on how to use Canva, be sure to like and subscribe so you get a notification for when my next video comes up. I will be posting weekly, so be sure to stay tuned. I also have my Quantum Canva course, so if you're interested in learning with me one-on-one, be sure to see the link in the descriptions below.